Good morning everyone and welcome to another exciting LEGO Star Wars video. Today we're looking at a brand new rumour that has me absolutely thrilled. The V-19 Torrent. Time to break down the details. According to the latest from Childish Landino Chronicles set 75432, V-19 Torrent is rumored to release on August 2025 and will retail for just shy of $60. This fan favourite starfighter made its debut during the Clone Wars and it's fantastic to see LEGO potentially bringing it back after such a long time. What's even more exciting is the minifigure lineup. The set is said to include a clone pilot and 2 additional figures. Now the question is, who could these mystery characters be? Could we see another Jedi, like Anakin Skywalker or Ahsoka Tano? Or maybe even a couple of specialised clones, like an ARC Trooper or a Phase 2 Trooper? Hopefully this new build stays true to the vehicle's triangular structure, while modernising it to fit LEGO's current standards. I really hope the build captures all the little details, like the retractable landing gear and the ability to fold the wings during storage. To be fair, it's wild to think about how much attention the Clone Wars era continues to get. If this rumour turns out to be true, the V-19 Torrent would be an excellent addition to anyone's collection, especially paired with the Republic gunship or the recently released ARC-170. Although if LEGO still have their sights on the Clone Wars, I wouldn't mind a modern take on Jet 14's stealth starfighter. Just saying. Now it's time to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on the potential return of the V-19? Who do you think the 2 mystery figures could be? Will you be picking this setup? Be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. May the Force be with you. Bye!